Hey guys, so as you know, I am on my time of the month, and I'll just say this right now, I did not follow my 5 a.m. routine once so far this week, and I don't think I will, because tomorrow is what, Friday? Yeah, I'm not gonna wake up early, but then that got me thinking again, if you guys notice the trend in a lot of my vlogs right now, especially as it relates to Ramadan, I'm putting a lot of emphasis on routines and discipline and motivation. The reason for this and why routines and developing this good habit is so important to me is because I've been in a really bad rut and burnout ever since I graduated college and need to structure my time in order to have hours in the day to do things for myself and also for my future, right? I've amounted my time and the value of time to set structures. So in school, I had a set routine, I had a set schedule. So it kept you accountable because you had to go or else there was something negative that would follow. Same could be said for a job system where if you don't make it to work or show up to work and do your job, obviously you get fired, right? So there's always like repercussions at the end if you don't do what you're supposed to. But now that I have a lot of free time, it's literally on me. Like, I have time in my hands technically. I have a morning and night routine, but it's not really structured yet. Anyway, with Ramadan coming literally at the right time, like subhanallah, it always comes at the right time, I was able to start structuring routines and start getting my mind in this better headspace. You know, with Ramadan coming to an end very soon, we have like 1 week left. I'm thinking about, after Ramadan's over, am I going to fall back into my old habits? Because I just saw how I got back into a really bad rut. But obviously, with being the time of the month, there is pain and fatigue and all that anyways. So that's a very unfair comparison. It still kind of shows me like, if I do fall back into my ruts. It's like you amounted to nothing almost. All the hard work that you tried to accomplish a new goal and a new habit just diminishes. So I just really want to create a space for myself where my time is valuable, regardless if I have a structure or not. I can build my own structure, right? Like I could build my own morning routine, my own night routine. I can time block my day if that's going to help me, especially being type A. I think structure and schedules will help me. There's a little bit of a fear where I'm like, will I keep up with my habits? And all I can say for that is like, inshallah, I keep up with everything that I'm hoping for, and that it will be easy on me. The same with you guys. If you guys are like in the same boat, trust me, we'll get through it. You just have to keep having self-value and you will get anything.